lovers, what's up? Welcome to a new episode of the Aqua Planet, guys. Guys, how is everything? How are your guppies, guys? My guppies are doing very well, and I am quite happy with my guppies, and they are breeding very well. And I have got a large number of fries right now, guys, and I am very happy with my guppies. So, guys, please share your status of guppies in the comment section. And guys, today's video is about the feed of guppies, that which feed I am using to my guppies. So guys, today I am gonna show you that one of the best feed which I am using for my guppies. Guys, here is the feed. This is the feed Fancy Guppy by Hikari. Guys, this is the best feed available in the market, and guys, it is rich of protein. As you can see that it is written protein packed formula. Guys, you can use it for your platies, mollies and guppies or live bearer fish. This is the ideal for the live bearer fishes, and it is one of the best feed available. So guys, today's video is about the review of this feed, and I am gonna give you some review, and I am gonna share the result of this feed. So guys, stay tuned with me and let's start the video, guys. Okay guys, now we start the review of the feed. Guys, it is written the world first micro coated granule and ideal for the live bearers and the Modi platy guppies, and it is written a soft granule ideal for the all size of small mouth fishes, micro coated. And here you can see the picture of the texture of the feed. It is semi floating, guys. It means that some of the feed float on the surface and some of the feed goes down in the water. And it is written that protein rich granule, and here is the weight of the feed, that is 0.77 ounce or 22 grams. Guys, this is a quite small packet. As you can see, here is my hand and it is the size of the packet. It is quite small and a little bit expensive, guys, but it has got the very good results, and this small pack is enough for 2 months for my fishes, and I am quite happy with the results. And here are some other fishes like dinos and tetras you may use for these fishes as well. So guys, we see that what is inside. Here is the tier of seal, and inside there is a zipper to open or close, and this is the mark of scissor for cutting, and this is the features that are written. And we are not going into the detail of the features, we are just going to see the ingredients of the feed. So okay guys, we see that how to feed 2 to 3 times daily. Amount of feed which completely consume fishes into 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, do not overfeed your fishes. If you overfeed the fishes, then your fishes may have bloating problems and your fishes may get expired. So please avoid the overfeeding, guys. And now we look at the ingredients inside. Fish meals, wheat flour, soybean meal, krill meals, dried cheese, fish oil, dried seaweed meal, and vitamin E and vitamin C, guys, calcium, vitamin A, folic acid, vitamin D3 supplements, and ferrous sulfate, magnesium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. Guys, there are a lot of ingredients, and these all ingredients are very beneficial for the fishes. So guys, I would say that this is the complete package for the fishes, and you will see that your fishes are getting the good colors and very good size in some days when you start using this feed. And we see the analysis of the feed, and here is the guaranteed analysis. Crude protein minimum percentage 50%, crude fat 8%, crude fibers 2%, moisture 10%, ash 18%, phosphorus 1%, vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin E and ascorbic acid. Guys, this is the complete package and it contains the very good proteins And good proteins are very beneficial for the fishes for increasing their size, and the others ingredients are useful for the color enhancement. And guys, this is again made by Hikari and produced in the Japan. And this is the address of the feed, and here is the barcode, guys. So guys, this is the little bit introduction of the feed, and now we are going to open it and see that how it looks like. So I am gonna open it from this mark. As you can see that here we have cut the, and it looks like this. I show you in my hand. Guys, here is the texture. It is very small granule which can be easily digested by the guppies, and you can feed to all fishes like tetras, mollies, platies. And guys, you can also feed to the fries as well, because you can see that it has a very small size grains, and the fries can also eat it very well. So you can use for both fries and the fishes. So this is one of the good point of the feed, because when you are feeding the fries you may have to crush the feeds in the powder form, but this is already near to the powder form or very small grains, so you don't need to make it in the powder form, guys. Okay guys, now I am gonna show you that how fishes eat. So I am gonna feed this to my fishes. Okay guys, guys, you can see that fries are eating the feed, and the female guppy is also eating behind. And they are having fun with the feed and quite enjoying the feed, guys. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question in your mind, guys, please comment. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye bye.